Topic is priority queue. A priority queue is a data structure that supports two basic operations: insert a new atom and remove the minimum atom. A priority queue is a kind of queue in which each element is assigned a priority and the order in which elements are deleted and processed comes from the following rules. Number one, an element with highest priority is processed first before any element of lower priority. Second rule, two or more elements with same priority are processed according to the order in which they were added to the queue. Heap can be used to implement priority queue. There are two kinds of priority queue. One is max priority queue and second is min priority queue. What are the operations on priority queue? Now, first operation of priority queue is insert an element, second operation is delete an element, and third operation is display the contents of queue. Now, what are the applications of priority queue? The first application, select print job in order of decreasing length. Second application, forward packets on routers in order of urgency. Third application, select most frequent symbols for comparison. And fourth application is sort numbers, picking minimum first. Now next topic is DQ, that is double-ended queue. A DQ is a kind of queue in which elements can be added or removed from at either end but not in middle. The term DQ is a construction of the name double-ended queue. The DQ is represented as follows. See the figure. There are two ways to represent a queue. One is input restricted DQ, which always insertions only at one end but always deletion at both ends. Second representation is output restricted DQ, which always insertion at both ends but always deletion only at one end. The DQ can be constructed in two ways. They are using array and second using linked list. Now, what are the advantages of DQ? Now, first benefit is it provides very quick access to recursive values, and second benefit, always for post selection of local predicate on recursive data values. Now, these are the benefits or advantages of DQ.